here, what we came up with here through this COVID-19 from when it started is a hands-free sanitizer pump with it. And basically, you just put your foot down on it, it sprays without touching anything. And on the bottom there's holes drilled in there so that you can anchor it down to the ground, or in the back here, there's a latch on there where you can mount it onto the wall if you prefer that.
These hand sanitizer pumps work well in a garden center, greenhouse, or nursery setting. It comes with an adjustable tray to accommodate different size containers and a protective hood to prevent overspray.